Hello dear students, I am Sapna Blara. I hope so you all are well at your home. Today we will discuss the chapter A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. I hope so you have read that chapter. Today I will explain the summary of the chapter in detail because we can't the chapter line by line in online, so that's why I have taken the summary in detail. First, we will discuss the short story or short summary of the chapter. The story recounts the episode where the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, saves the lives of a dull dog, Tricky, by hospitalizing him to prevent him from being overfed by his wealthy owner, Mrs. Pamphry, which was only worsening his condition. How he saved the dog. This is the only chapter. At last, why did the lady call it a triumph of surgery? This is the important question. Now the character sketch of this chapter. There are three characters in this chapter. James Herriot, the writer of the chapter, and he was a veterinary doctor, or we can call it surgeon. Mrs. Pamphry, a wealthy single woman. She is very much attached to her dog, Tricky. She is very loving but weak at heart. Tricky is a lazy and fat dog who loves food. He is very fond of his owner. He turns out to be energetic and lively after recovering from his illness. Let's discuss the chapter. James shocked to see Tricky. First, the narrator of the story is, as I already discussed, Mr. Herriot. He is a veterinary surgeon. He was really worried about the dog, whose name was Tricky. He was shocked to see it with its mistress. Why he was shocked? This is a question. It had become hugely fat. Its eyes had become red and its tongue came out from his jaws. It was in a state of disease. This is the important question from this paragraph. The condition of Tricky. Now the mistress of the dog was Mrs. Pamphry, as I already discussed. She told Mrs. Herriot that the dog seemed to have no energy. Now she was discussing the condition of Tricky with the doctor. She gave it more malt. Malt means grains soaked in water, and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks. Not enough that. She also gave it some cream cakes and chocolates despite Harriet's refusal. And it was really a rich diet according to a small dog. As you imagine, that like this much of food if he would take, then what will be the condition of the dog? So you can write down the question from this paragraph. You can take what are the things that the lady gave to the dog. Harriet looked at the dog again. Its big trouble was that it had become greedy. He also became greedy because of so much of the food. It did not refuse food. Harriet asked Mrs. Pamphry if she had been giving the dog plenty of exercise. She said she had not. She only gave the Tricky only food, but she never took him to go for exercise. Harriet warned her, if she did not cut its food and gave it more physical exercise, it would be really ill. She said that he was right, but it was difficult for her because she loved her dog very, very much. Whenever she felt that the dog was weak, she again gave the dog much food. Now, within next few days, Mrs. Pamphret told Harriet that Tricky did not eat anything. It refused to eat even its favorite dishes. It spent all its time lying panting. The narrator had made his plans in advance because he knew this situation will definitely come to him. He suggested that Tricky should be hospitalized for about a fortnight. The lady almost became unconscious because she never expected these things. She was sure that it would die if he did not see it. Like this much they loved each other. If she did not see the Tricky, if Tricky did not see her, probably the dog will not survive. I have discussed half of the summary. You will read till here. Tomorrow I will again discuss the remaining summary of this chapter. Thank you.